What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today's mission, catch a fish. Went out yesterday and skunked, so I need redemption today. Hoping to get something. Conditions are looking really good today. We got a over 4 foot high tide coming in at about 10:30 or so, so I'm hoping to capitalize on that. And also, based on the tide sequence here, it says it's going to be really good fishing this week, so I'm going to try and get out here as much as possible, but we shall see. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. That lets me know you guys enjoy the content, you guys are liking what I'm doing, and I'll see you out there later. A couple days ago we came out and scouted out the low tide, and I'm on foot today, and I did see a couple spots that I liked that we typically don't hit. So with the low tide, I was able to kind of see some of the holes that were we were oblivious to, and I'm at one of the spots right now that I saw, so see if we can't pull something out of here. All right, guys, forgot to mention a few seconds ago, but major announcement at the end of this video. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay tuned for that major announcement about the channel. Much better wave action today than on the last couple trips. This is like how it's supposed to be. Nice white water rolling in, waves out there crashing. This is like back to perfect conditions. I shouldn't say perfect conditions, but back to Oceano conditions. I'm back to my Okuma Cellio 8.6. If you saw my previous video, snap my rod, I got a link here in the upper corner. Pretty unfortunate. That was a really nice rod as far as the action of it. It was an ultralight 10 foot, aka the noodle rod, and every fish felt like a monster, so that's why I really enjoyed it. But I got something in the mail right now, should be here in the next couple days, and we'll be throwing that this week, so stay tuned. There we go, fish on. Fish on. Goody. Oh yeah. That's a good fish. Smacked it. Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a keeper. Yes. Got him in the mouth, of course. If I had my satchel, I'd be in business. This is the spot where I just suspected they were going to be. I know there's more fish here, and I'm gonna get. Oh, there we go. It's on. Oh, oh, oh! He popped off, that buster. Dang it. That was a strong fish. That was a goodie. Dang it. And there's another one hanging around. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yes, sir. That is correct. He gave up. This dude gave up. What the heck? Up, up. It's back. Oh yeah, that's a slab. Slab. I wonder if that's the same fish that just missed it a couple seconds ago. The cast right before this one. Oh man, that's a goodie too. Come on, fish. Coming home, baby. Coming home. A hit and miss. I always throw it back to the same spot because you never know if they're gonna smack it again or if there's another fish in the area. His buddy's hanging around with him. So, some advice there: you get a hit, a miss, whatever the case may be, throw it right back to the same spot because there may be another fish hanging out. Pro tip. And I'm starting to get rained on right now, which may be a good situation. We'll see. Stay tuned. As long as there's no thunderstorms, I'm all good. I got a rain jacket on that my wife bought me for my birthday. Thanks, babe. Coming in handy. Yeah, it's raining. Raining good right now. Oh yeah, it's raining good now. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, there we go. Another one. Oh yeah, goodie. Not pulling drag, but still feels like a strong fish. These fish are giving up. They're fight, 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 and then done. Let's see what this guy is. Yep. That's a goodie. Don't pop off. Yeah, that's a good size. Oh yeah, that's like, oh, he's barely hanging on too. If he fights, he might pop. If he fights, he'll pop off. Don't fight, Buster. Number 3, baby. Oh, don't fight. There we go. Beached him. There we go. Got him. Perfect. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Another one. Yeah, guys. It looks like I'm going to be investing into a satchel. So So if you guys have any recommendations on where to get one, how to make one, what works for you, let me know. You can leave it here in the comments here, or even go to the Instagram page, Master Blaster Fishing. Yeah, that was a goodie. Let's get a little further out there. Have you guys ever fished in the rain? What are your thoughts? I'm gonna say it works. I'm gonna say fishing in the rain is good. Holy moly, that dude smashed. Fishing in the rain is good, guys. Just so you know. Can still catch, don't pack up and leave. Oh, another slab. Oh my. Oh my. She's big. Whoa. That's what I call blimpy. Oh my. That's easily a 15. Pretty easy to... No, that's a 15. Holy moly. And it's barely hanging on too. Another one barely hanging. Now she looks pregnant. This looks like a pregnant fish. Look at that belly. Yeah, holy mackerel. That's a biggie. Look at that. Oh man, that's a double hander right there. Sweet. But we're gonna let her go. She's pregnant, so she's going back. Oh man, she's good. Dude, she fought good. Okay, let's get her back in the water. Looks like she's getting ready to pop, so we'll let her out. There she goes. Oh, another one. Oh yeah. That's a real good one. Oh yeah. Come on, he's coming in with the wave, I think. Or did he pop? Did he pop? He popped. Dang it. That one was pretty far out. That was another fatty. Dang it. Alright guys, so the big announcement is we're finally naming the channel. As you guys know, I got my Instagram and my new channel name is gonna be Master Blaster Fishing. That's my handle also on the Instagrams. So Master Blaster Fishing, it's official as of today. Tell your friends, tell your wife, tell your kids. Master Blaster Fishing, baby. Let's go.